ni kabalan sa mabaton sa Ilo.
Yati, Diyos ni Bay, makurbaan ko sa itong kailangan.
Mo niya itong gingon nga bumbuang nga desisyon. Bumbuang gid nga desisyon, I swear.
Practice man ni siya, practice.
Yes.
Practice na.
Hello guys, we're here at the airport already and we're just waiting for our flight to be called. But we're so hungry. They are the rest. Ayan. Hello guys, we're birding. Diba ko ito isa? Air Asia, tas Pure Gold yung masakyan. Hi guys. Sige. Yes, we don't know what's ahead of us guys. So we just have to go with the flow. Nahadlok ko sa ulan because na-turbulence kanina but it's actually normal.
Di man ko di mo matag ng panahon. Ngunit kanan lugar pag ano ni mo, abi niyo mo init ang panahon karading adlaw is ulan-ulan. Parehas sa Manila init, pagabot dere ulan na.
Sige, sige.
So like, scary guys.
Hello guys, it's day 1 in Iloilo and we're going to Baruta Tiajo. Yes. Busy kayo, busy na kayo siya, busy.
That we don't know. My cousin taking me to.
Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Just an update. We're here in Lipata, Iloilo already. And for the very first time, on our first day, our cousins, second cousins ba te?
Yeah, second cousin.
Second cousins invited us to go somewhere. Nagbaklay rami te.
Yeah.
Hanga kayo. Ganina rami naklay pa mina abot sa mga destination. But anyways, there they are.
And I really want to.
Oh, di ba? Ginapapaspas sa mi nila. Hanga kayo. Samok. So yun, bye-bye. Hello guys, we're here at Taz. At Lolo Larry's restaurant, Machoyan Day. Haha.
80 years old naman siya. 1982. Asa yung mayangan sa atong history sa Salinas?
It's so long, yet it's so understandable.
Very
3.6 na ni mo eh?
Oo.
It's so nice.
Asa yung mayangan?
Pag-say sa vlog.
I would say for the first time, na-amaze ko sa mga family history kay grabe. In Tagalog, this in English.
It's so, I believe, namangha ako. Namangha ako sa pastilan. Nahuman ang screen time. Mahurot. Sige, ikaw. Mas may man end.
Ako, mayangan is, ang mayangan is from branches to siya. Yung the branches? Roots. To branch. To
Very
clear, amazing with the picture. Yeah.
Okay. I stay here at Tad's. Tastes like sinigang. It's so yum.
Yeah.
So, it's a 10.
10, you rate? Okay. How?
Since nag-drink man ko, alcoholic girly man ko, I thought it will taste like tanduay, but it tastes like sinigang.
Ikaw, ate.
It tastes like honey,
Honey?
with lemon. No, it's like ito, pinapadala na nakakabitaw. Tea. Oh, but version. Sisig? Okay. End of the story. Bye-bye. It's a peanut cupcake. Like,
Hindi na peanut, walnut.
walnut.
Yeah, walnut nga pie.
It tastes
And
like,
then we have blueberry pie. But it's already, you know, you can see that it's yummy. Okay, next. Cupcake.
cupcake. So sweet. Melted chocolate. I rate this 10 out of 10. It tastes like Graham. Graham. It tastes Graham, walnut Graham. Then this,
Quarter na ko ha.
oh my gosh, it's so yummy. Let me. I want to finish this, but I'm so full.
Please visit
Hi guys, we're here at our next stop. Hello. They're there. Oh, it's so nice. Let's go enter the church, guys. Nasa ka? Sige, pangita. Sige, pangita.
Katong ko nang ito.
Tungla, kali, haleluya, uy.
Mahulog, uy.
Ayun, Tio.
Ayun. Ay, thank you po.
Thank you. Hi, guys. We're here at Garin Farm. And the rabbit is there. See the rabbit? See the lion? See the sky? Meet the sea? Asa sila tiki kay di ay? Kasabad ni nga mga bata kini uy.
Ang binti, ang binti. Kaya ganahan ko sini.
Ganan kasi na.
Ko niya.
Oo ah.
Yeah.
Wow. It's so nice there.
Yeah, so nice, right? So nice.
Right, it's so nice.
So nice. Skibidi.
Skibidi toilet.
Sa dang flash dere. Balik.
Sige, i-flash. Picture ta mag-flash, okay? Gago. May fish? Asa?
It's right there. Look. Black.
Ay, turao kita ko.
Pero, ato, big. Tapos, ano?
Ooh, it's so nice. Sheesh!
Mag-enjoy sa view.
Standing strong. Ate, kayo na yung mga igsuon.
Bausadan mag talaga sila. Adam at Eve. Ida, Adam at Eve. At Adan.
Matanda.
Adan kag Eva sa paraiso.
Oo.
Boom, barko. Simon. Chipmunks man.
Guys, it's the Noah's Ark.
Thank you. Malaan yung horn. Ballerina cappuccina.
Roar.
Mi.
Ano sa isa ba? Okay, let's go.
Ready na?
Okay.
Malang consideration siya. Ito
Sige, kita.
Kita kaya pala pinakain tayo? Picturean ko nino.
Day pila ka steps.
Di pa niya revenge na to. Di pwede pang revenge.
Te, how's the experience? Sige.
It was really fun, but tiring. You know,
You know?
the feeling that it's nice, but it's also tiring. You have to walk on a dark road.
Okay, dark room. Base karon kang magpang
Pwede.
sa lugar mo di. In the dark room.
I think, hindi ko sure. Ay, you're here na outside. Wait lang, di ko kaklaro. Oo. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you, Lord.
Maka-blind siya din. Gusto kayo nga ni kakape.
Hey guys, currently I'm here to buy Kubo because it's so tiring to climb the stairs there. So I'm here resting, okay? See her reaction, guys. Okay, wala na siya natanaw.
Ay, dito na picture niya ko.
Ay, dito picture, picture to picture.
Wala ba ang cellphone? Mag-video ko.
Wala lang na pinang miracle fruit.
Okay, guys. Say bye to the bahay Kubo. Yan. Pangit kayo ba eh? So, how's the experience?
So this is the farmer.
Farmer?
This is the farmer outfit. As you can see, I've been to the farm for like 3 years.
3 years!
Just 3 years because I have to
Hands, the left and the right.
Yes, I have to move out after that year. Because my mom, she took me from my grandma.
Nasa kinante.
Oh.
Oh. Ano yan? Ayun na. Ano yung ginahambal mo na?
Mahilig kami ang bakit. Kami ang lifestyle dito. Halin pagod kami sa kanya. Amo nag
Oo. Ma-walking.
walking kami. Mas kinainit din man. Walking gyapon nawa na nanay. Mas kininit kayo gusto gid kadlawon dako gusto mag-walking. Alauna te.
Sige.
Asa kasi na.
Hmm.
Alauna gusto na mag-walking.
Amo niya ano na mga banding.
Amo. No, kana na si nanay.
Wala, hindi pa sa taas niyo.
Binuang. Boardwalk nga siya. Parang ano ba?
Wala ako ka ba? No, ito to
Parang
board.
upol.
Like this ba? Boardwalk.
Pero mas maganda.
It's nice. Yeah. Hello. We're gonna see the people, our friends, our beloved high school. Huh? Te, what if makita na ako si Lalay dere? Lay? Ari ka ba di, Lay? Aw, it's so nice. How about you, Bid? It's so nice. See? Haha. Insan ka pahawa ka? Ka-vlog tapon?
Akong
Guys, we're at this culture house. We're looking for pasalubong. We're actually done. It's a pasalubong, guys. For our friends and families out there. So yeah, we're going to thank Daddy. She's counting ha! Daddy, Daddy! I have to show di!
Sakay na magdiretso. Ano from there?
Pag gawa sa mga sa
Check din natin.
pagsalungan sa
Hello guys, we're at the International Airport.
Pagulitin ano?
We're just waiting for our flight. We're on your back.
Basta, sumbong na. Basta lang.